guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making some press-on nails, and first I'll be starting by adding nail tips to my stand. I'm just going to be adding size 0 to all of the nails. Just to let you guys know, those are the nails that I will be creating in this video if you guys didn't see it in the thumbnail. Once all the nail tips are added, I'm just going to go ahead and start putting on the base coat. I'll be using number 5 nail polish as well as number 8 nail polish. I'll be applying number 8 on 3 nails and number 5 on 2 other nails. In this clip, you may see me not apply nail polish to the whole nail, but it's not necessary since we are doing a French tip. With the number 5 polish, I will be doing 2 coats because it's a little clear and I want it to be bright. Once the nails are polished, I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds. While the nails are drying, I'm just going to apply number 5 polish on my nail palette, as well as open a pack of alcohol wipe to clean off all of my implements. For this French tip, I will be using a blue dot with the big dot and the small dot. And I'm just going to do it as I did in my previous video, starting off with a smile line and then filling it out with the nail brush. Once I finish the French tip, I'm just going to go ahead and add my second coat of pink polish to the other 2 nails. Once those are finished, I'm going to pop them in the dryer for 60 seconds and get started on the other half of my design. I'll be using number 20 polish, and I'm just going to brush that onto my nail palette. I already went ahead and cleaned my daughter off camera on the alcohol wipe so we can get started. On 2 of my nails, I will be doing a cheetah print design, just using my small dot and brushing random dots all over the nail, and then going back in and just filling in empty spaces with tiny dots. I will be doing like a yin yang symbol using the black. Just going to create a swirl line on the middle of the nail and then filling it in with the nail brush. For the last design, I'm just going in, I'm just creating a swirl on the left side of the pink nail. Now that that's all finished, I'm going to cure the nails for 60 seconds. I'm just going to add a pink dot on the black side of the yin yang symbol and then add a top coat to the rest of the other nails while that one cures. So I switched out the nails in the dryer and added the top coat to the yin yang. And now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my workstation. Here is the finished product of my nails. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.